Hi guys, today we're looking at this trick question here. This was from one of the past question paper, and as you can see it's read like calculator is costing 300 rand from store A and it's costing 330 from store B. Both prices are stated to be 85% of the usual price. What is the usual price of a calculator from store A? Okay, so if we're looking at this question here, our question has nothing to do with this one here, with store B. So that our question has nothing to do with that, but basically we're looking at store A. Most of the time when people looking at this question here, they jump to this they jump to look at 300 multiplied by 85 all over 100, and mostly they will be saying that they're looking at 80% of 85% of 300. So if you put it in the calculator, it's 300 times 0.85. so you will be getting 255 rand, and this is wrong. This is not the solution, because if you look at the question, you have to read your question carefully. They're saying that the calculator is costing, so is costing. This is a current price. This 200 is a current price from a store A. Both prices are stated to be 85% off. I think there's supposed to be an F here, of the usual price. So it's 85%. So 85% off already. So this is a new price. This is a new price if you read the question carefully. So this is a new price. So how can you approach this? Because this will have been 80% of 300 if this 200 was an old price, but in this case we don't know what was the usual price. So let X be the usual price. Let X be the usual price. What else can we do here? So they're saying that X minus X, or 85% of X. So 85% of X is equal to 300. So this is an X amount, so the calculator was this X amount, and they reduced 85% of this X amount. So 85% of this X amount. So what can we do from here? By the look of things, you can say X minus 85 all over 100 X is equal to 300. Okay, and then what can we do here? I want to get rid of this 100 here, so I can say this is 100 over 100. That therefore I will have 100x minus 85x. That just gives me 15x all over 100 is equal to 300. Okay, and what else can I do here? let me multiply by 100 both side, by 100. So this 100 and this 100. So what will be left here is 100 times 300, that is 30,000. So that is 30,000. So we can move to here, so we can say that therefore we have 15x is equal to 30,000, but we can divide by 15 and we can divide by 15. So 30,000 divided by 15, 30,000 divided by 15, and then our answer should be x is equal to 2,000. So the original price was 2,000 rand. So this makes a lot of sense, because if you're saying that our original price was 2,000 rand, and then you can just look at and then they think it's 85% off. So 85% off, so you will be looking at 2,000 rand multiplied by 85% off. So this 85%, definitely this will give you, so if you're looking at that, so it's 2,000 times by 85 divided by 100. So 85%, so this will be 1,700. So you see, so this 1,700 is what was reduced. So what will be the new price? The new price will be simple: 2,000 minus 1,700. So that gives us 300. So the trick here is we're looking at an original price. So this is how we normally calculate the percentage. If you're looking at the percentage, if they're taking something off and they're saying that it's something off, sometimes you may be looking at, let's say, if something at the shop was 70 rand, and then they're saying that it is 5% off. So what will happen? It will be 70 rand minus 5%. So minus 5% of this 70 rand. So basically you will be looking at 70 rand minus 70 rand minus 70 rand multiplied by 5/100. So you're getting your answer. So if it was 5% off from 70 rand, you'll be looking at 70 rand minus 5%. That is a new price would be equal to 6.5. So that is how it worked. So in this case of this calculator, you can look at x as 70. So that is how we calculate the percentage, and this has been a trick question, but I think this helps you to understand this type of equation better, because you see, if you read the question carefully, they're saying that both prices are stated to be 85% off the usual price, and then you need to find what was the usual price. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos.